Invoice for standard orders on Amazon Seller Central. What's the difference? And I'm going to be explaining the difference. You can log into your payments tab, and then you may see something called invoiced orders. These are from business customers. So if you have business customers with a special plan, then they can use this plan to order items that are net 30. You don't get paid in 30 days. They don't have to pay in 30 days. They win. You just kind of sit there and wait for the money to show up. But business customers are known to spend more money. This is the actual FAQ on Amazon. And you can see Amazon business customers who have access to pay by invoice have terms such as net 30 that determine when their invoices are due. So they don't have to pay until 30 days later. So they get the product, they have fun, they use it. Then after 30 days, then you get paid, and then they finally pay. You can also see on Amazon's buyer side, we conduct a credit assessment and determine eligibility. So you can sign up as a business account, and then you can contact Amazon and say, hey, can you give me net 30? And there is a way to get net 30. I'm going to be showing you that in a second if you wanted to get it yourself as a buyer. But they don't just offer net 30. Now they do offer net 45 and net 60. So you could have somebody that buys a product from you. You don't get paid 60 days later, and they don't have to get paid. Amazon's going to be put that in the invoiced. So if it's a regular buyer, it's going to show up in the standard orders, right? A regular buyer, right? And most buyers are regular. They don't have businesses. They're not souped up. But if it's like a souped up big business, they're going to have net 30, net 45, or even net 60. So just understand that's what it is. And you can see Amazon's website, business.amazon.com, pay by invoice. Now let's go more in depth into this because I want to show you this is how they get it. Okay, so they sign up for Business Prime. So Business Prime, it's free, right? But you can see, okay, pay us $179 a year. But if you pay them $499 a year, look, they get net 45. So these are for businesses that are willing to pay Amazon an annual fee of $499. They get access to this net 45. And then, of course, enterprise, the ones that are paying Amazon 10 G's a year, they're the ones that get offered that 60-day. If they're paying Amazon this much money, they're probably going to be buying in bulk from you. So it's going to be a win at the end of the day. But just understand what the difference is. I wish Amazon told us this, but hey, now you know, I know, we know, you know what the difference is between standard order and invoiced order on Amazon. That's it for today's video. Want more Amazon videos? Tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. We're Amazon consultants here to help you increase your sales. We also will fix any of your Amazon problems. We specialize in all of this. So feel free to click the link in the description and contact us. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.